first thing you do, clear the line, and then off to the races. One of the great things about large arbor reels is a situation like this. The bonefish is running back at me. And boy, being able to pick up line like this is a lot better than having to reel a trout-sized reel where you have to keep reeling. So we got him in here. I did something that I shouldn't. I got the leader knot inside the guides because I have a long leader. You never want to do that. You want to keep that leader knot outside of the guides, because if it hangs up and he takes a run, you're going to break your rod, even on a small bonefish like this. Nice average sized Belizean bonefish. There are big bonefish in Belize. There are 8-pound bonefish, but most of the ones you catch are going to be about this size.